Hey guys, and welcome to this clean with me. Today we're tackling Devin's game room slash guest room. So that's what we're just doing today. We're tackling it and getting it done. We have some guests coming over this weekend, so I figured let's get it done. And if you see the bed tore up, that's courtesy of my dog Slim Jim. So discard that. Well, yeah. So right here, I'm just picking up everything, picking up dog toys, picking up trash. Then I'm going to show you all the dog hair on the bed. If you have a shedding dog, you feel my pain. She loves to jump up on here, so I'm like, this has to be clean. This is not cute. Dog hair is a never-ending cycle, so I'm just going to strip the bed, get that all ready to go in the washing machine, so it can be all fresh and clean. So in the washer, I'm putting this Biz stain remover laundry additive detergent to it to try and get these stains out of these white linens. And then I'm going in with this off-brand Gain cleaner. So hopefully all of this gets the stains out of those white linens. Okay, so right here I'm making a mixture of baking soda and this fragrance oil slash essential oil that I have. Those essential oils are actually my favorite, well, fragrance oils. They smell so good. I got it from this little company called Vera Soap Company at a market. And I'm just making this so I could sprinkle it on top of the mattress to get any odors or anything just from it being stagnant for so long. So I'm just going to mix that up and it will work wonders. And then I'm going to come in, I'm going to sprinkle it all over the mattress. I'm going to let it sit. It's best to do this right after you take the sheets off like I did, so that way it could sit while you do your other cleaning before you have to vacuum it up and make the bed. Then right here, I'm going to get started dusting off all these computers. They get quite dirty, and then I'm wiping down this air purifier. That also helps if you have dogs. I have one in this room where the dogs like to hang out with Devin, and then I have one in my living room. So I'm just going to dust everything, wipe everything down to get it clean. now I'm gonna dust the windowsills. I think that's something that a lot of people always forget. Always wipe them down. The blinds I didn't really need to dust because I dusted them a couple days ago. So I'm just gonna wipe the windowsills and the window thing to get it clean. That's one area that accumulates a lot of dog hair. So I just have to wipe it down every time I see it. So now that the baking soda mixture has been sitting on the bed while I clean everything else, I'm going to go in and I'm going to vacuum it up. It really helps make the room smell so clean and so good. Next, I'm going to be coming in, I'm going to be vacuuming the room. If you guys want me to do a review on this little vacuum cleaner, I definitely can. It was from Amazon. I think it was probably like $90 or something like that. I used to have the Dyson, which I really liked, but it broke. So I got this as the next best thing, I guess. I could definitely do a review, tell you my opinions of it. It's alright. It gets the job done. I like it for vacuuming my sofas, but yeah, I guess I could do a review if you guys want. So just let me know. Okay, so if you see me in this clip switching the clothes to the dryer, me laughing and talking, I'm not talking to myself. Devin was being funny, trying to control the camera, so that's why I'm like, what are you doing? And last but not least, we're going to be finally making this bed. It seemed like this took forever just because I had it washing for so long to really soak. But so we're making the bed, getting all clean, fresh, dog hair free. now we're coming to the end of the video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely do more talking content, so be on the lookout for that. Just thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. And have a great day or night, wherever you are at.